Hey everyone! So today I'm going to be doing the top 12 of 2012 of beauty products. Yeah, I know I'm a little late, sorry about that, but let's just get into it. Okay, so the first product I have is a body butter by The Body Shop, and it is Wild Cherry Body Butter. Um, it just looks like this. It's pink and it doesn't really smell like cherries, but yeah, it smells good and it's really moisturizing. So I love that. Next I have an eyeliner, and this is from Maybelline. This is the Expression eyeliner in white. So it's just a white eyeliner, and yeah, I think it looks really pretty and it's really brighten up my eyes when I use it. Next product is a mascara, and this is the Volume Million Lashes in Extra Black, and this is from L'Oreal. And I just love the packaging because it's gold and everything. And the wand just looks like this. It's not really brushes, it's like this plastic thing, and there are a lot of these little tabs or something. But it really separates my lashes, and that's what I love about them. Okay, and then I have some lip products. The first one is a lipstick by Rimmel, and this is from the Kate Moss collection. And this is in 03, and it looks like this. And in the beginning I really didn't like it on me, but yeah, it doesn't look like this on the lips, but I just use a little bit of this and then some gloss on top, and then it looks pretty. The next thing is a lip gloss, and this is also from Rimmel, and this is the Vinyl Gloss in Dance With Me, and it's just a pretty pink with a lot of like gold or silver sparks. Oh, you can't really see it. Yeah, and this just like looks really pretty by itself, just for an everyday color. Then I have an eyeshadow, and this is from Inglot, and this is the first Inglot eyeshadow and the only Inglot eyeshadow I have. And it's really pretty. I bought it for a Christmas present for myself last year, so I have just, well, used it in 2012. Oh, you can't really see it. But yeah, it's just really pretty, like brown goldish color, and it looks really pretty just by itself. And then I have a blush, and this is from Marquins International, and it's a really dark blush, but when it comes on it doesn't look this dark, and I don't have to use a lot of this, so that's good. Okay, next is my favorite nail polishes, and the first one is by L'Oreal, and this is the color Richie in Scarlet Vamp, and it's just like a dark red, and I actually wore this like 4 years and I actually wore this like 4 weeks in a row without taking it off, so that just proves how much I love this. And the next one is by OPI, and it is in Save Me. Yeah, and it's just this really pretty sparkling like rainbow color glitter, so I just love that. Oh, and it is from the Nicki Minaj collection. The next product is a makeup remover, and it's actually my mother's, so don't tell her that I use this. This is from Place Your I don't know how to pronounce that. Yeah, you can look at the bottle. And it's just it's like a gel form, if you want to see it. So yeah, it's just this kind of gel, and you just put it on your eyes, and you just let it sit there for about 10 seconds, and you just wipe it off, and all of your eye makeup comes off. comes off. So I've been loving that. And the next one is a hair conditioner, and this is by Amazing Space in Luxury Lavender. And I don't have much left. But I just